Hello, good morning to everyone. Welcome to Tech Easy. Today in this video we'll see how you can put picture on your home screen. So on this area, this is my mobile home screen, right? On this area I'll be keeping picture, and that too not one picture, a lot of pictures. Means with the time range the picture will automatically get refreshed. Means gallery of pictures will be played one by one. It is pretty easy. First of all, you need to press and hold on your mobile home screen for few seconds. Yeah, like this. Press and hold for few seconds, and at the bottom you will see something like widgets. Yes, with widgets it is possible to put picture on home screen of Android. Click on the widgets, and remember you need to have photos app on your mobile. Photos, this Google Photos. Okay, if you have that photos only, under widgets you will find this Google Photos widget area. So see, this is the Google Photos widget section. The UI may be different for your mobile. This is Moto Edge 50 mobile, that's the reason the UI is like that. But for your widgets the UI may be different, but just find this Photos app and see here you can keep the people pictures here, or you can keep the locations picture here. For now I'm just choosing the locations. Okay, I'll be clipping on add, or you can directly drag and drop on the home screen. I just clicked on the add, and now I can choose the shape here. For example, this shape I choose. Any shape you can pick, and now you can place it by dragging and dropping here, and you can increase the size. Okay, see of here, this picture gets refreshed automatically with time. Okay, let us wait for a few seconds as this will get to see here. This is the new picture. Yeah, but you may ask, where does these pictures are coming from? These pictures are coming from the Photos app. The Photos app means these are your Google Photos only. The Google Photos with your respected Gmail ID, what are the photos available, those pictures get displayed here. So I hope you like this tutorial. If you like this tutorial, please do hit a like, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.